Okay, we're off to the dog park. Hopefully we're not going to die. It's so hot out there I can't breathe already, and poor Buster's peed to me. Well, we just had a little bit of a scare. There was a little tiny dog here. I think he tried to hump Bella, and she didn't like it, so she went after him. She didn't hurt him, but still. We kind of have to stop at every little water spot because the dogs get so thirsty. Especially Buster. He can't breathe. I think all the dogs are kind of temperamental today because it's so hot. It has been. And they've been cooped up from not getting out because of the heat. So I just left the one side of the park because I had to stop and give something to my daughter, and we just came. This is like the back way to the water through the trail. So instead of going through the trail, we just took a shortcut into it. Wait for me, guys. Oh, what was that? Bird just flew out of the water. In the summertime, lots of people come back here because it's cooler, so hopefully we're alone today. That's Benny's favorite spot. It's like his position every time he comes to the park. He just sits there in the water. I think we're probably gonna go because Bella keeps staring at me like, are we going home?